Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to allow displaying tagged photos on Facebook using the latest update for the desktop website. If your tagged photos aren't showing up on your profile, don't worry, this guide will fix that in just a minute. First, open Facebook on your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your homepage, look up to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Click on it. A small menu will open up with a few options. From that menu, click on Settings and Privacy and then choose Settings. This will take you to a new page filled with different settings categories on the left-hand side. Now, from the list on the left, click on Profile and Tagging. This section controls who can see posts, photos, and tags on your profile. Next, look for the section that says who can see what others post on your profile. To the right of that, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it to open your visibility options. Here you'll see several choices like Friends, Only Me, and Everyone. To make sure all your tagged photos are visible, select Everyone. Once you do that, click Done to save your changes. That's it. You've now updated your Facebook settings so that tagged photos posted by others will appear on your profile for everyone to see. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same settings section and adjust your visibility preferences at any time. Facebook updates its layout frequently, so it's a good idea to revisit these settings now and then to make sure everything looks the way you want it to. And there you go, a simple, updated way to manage who can see your tagged photos on Facebook Web.